But okay, coming back, we have created two worksheets. Let us save those worksheets once again, because now we intend to move to the dashboard. So let's click on dashboard here and select and click on new dashboard. Now we have the spreadsheet here. And out here, what do we see? When we create a dashboard, we are able to see the relevant worksheets. So suppose if I drag and drop this worksheet over here, that's the worksheet that we're seeing here. Okay. This worksheet that we are seeing here, it comes with its own filters also. So this is one such dashboard that we have created. Now, after you have dragged and dropped the dashboard on the worksheet on the canvas for the given dashboard, now you can start with its formatting also in terms of the layout also. And you can also work on its size, the objects, floating types, so which type of dashboard title you want. You can add the text, you can also add an image, you can also add a web page, you can add the data story. So let's add the data story. Data story requires to connect to Tableau server, choose server, sign in, and then reload from options. Of course, we cannot use this. So I'll close this window here. And then if you want to download the PDF, you can download this here. So add a text. So what is the text that we need to add? Comparative analysis. Range. Select. Increase the font size. So I click OK. This is what it is. We don't need this big text size. So reduce this. You can also close it because you don't need a dashboard. So you can create the vertical and the horizontal objects also out here. That's a side-by-side bar chart that we have created. Let's select a vertical chart also for this. We will stick with the existing dashboard the existing sheet only, because if you try to keep adding more dashboards, then it will complicate everything and will get more congested. Let's click on the layout. On the size, this click on. So this is a default view that we are looking at. Click on form here. This is how your format will appear or will look like. That's in the device book here. Let's click on these three. You can edit the layout also. Let's click on edit layout. And if you want to make any changes to layout, you can drag this up over here. This can be accommodated up here. Right. So you can juggle it out here in this manner. So this is how your page will appear, and when you click on subcategory, showing all the categories, you can make any changes here. Select bins and pathway, and that is how it will show up over here. Then you can select it. So depending upon what you want to do, so which kind of category you want to work on, that you can add over here as part of the device review. So that's for the phone. Again, out here on the dashboard, if you can also switch back to the default settings or the default setting, we are having just one single product selected. So it's the entire dashboard is occupied by required. I select all the subcategories, then it will show up like this. So this is one thing that, so this is how you can work on the dashboard. If you click on dashboard here, it's going to ask you device layouts. So these are the different layouts that we have. If we suppose add tablets, then the tablet layout will come up over here. So which type of tablet? Let's click on tablet device review. So when you click on device review for the tablet, it will show you which type of tablets are available over here. Okay, it's tablets, and we are selecting the generic tablet. This is how it will show up on the tablet. If you make the changes here for iPad mini, that's how it changes. So depending upon the tablet type, you will be able to change the canvas, and this is how the review will appear. And let's click on the fit. So everything will be fitted and fit to the width. So that is also possible. So these are the additional features. Height is what 786 pixels. You can change it if you want. If I just go to 108, it's so small here. So of course, most of the settings are taken care of by software itself. So this is how we work on it. So let's work on the dashboard. Let's look at the dashboard. Analysis. Dashboard. So this is a product analysis dashboard that we created. Now let's create price study. Out here. Now again, this was pertaining to tablet. Let's go back to the default setting. And we have the side-by-side analysis. So we create another dashboard for price analysis. Oops, that's a sheet. Delete that one and click on the new dashboard here. So this is the button. And we name this dashboard as what? Let us rename this dashboard as price analysis dashboard. We drag and drop the side-by-side bar chart or side-by-side worksheet here. So this is how it appears and looks like. Brand specific. So change it as corresponding. It should appear as corresponding value. Result like this. So out here we have a very big list of products that we are seeing here. Back to dashboard. Blank. So you can set the fixed size also for this, and also the variable size. You can also customize it. That's a fixed size that you have. You can make it automatic. You make it fixed size and can be further customized into these formats. So to take it as what? Generic desktop. That's how it shows up here. Show up over here. Hold down shift to roughly objects to this from the dashboard. The root is also from the dashboard, and